This is the RAVELLO collection, exclusively designed for KARE by the Danish furniture designer Morten Georgsen. Clear shapes meet solid grain shisham wood, even more sturdy than oak. Now Georgsen didn't want to interrupt any of these surfaces, so what he did, he made the handles very slim to be inobtrusive. It looks fabulous. Now his furniture is very sturdy, but they still look elegant due to those delicate feet. We love to combine it with retro shapes and colors like mustard and dark orange, even green. You can also add a hint of brass, maybe even something shiny.